So guys, magandang araw. Magluluto na naman tayo ng kangkong guys. Yan, brown na brown ng bawang guys. Isasalin na natin yung isasalin na natin guys yung mga kangkong. Mekos na yan guys. Mekos na yan guys. Mekos guys. Mekos. Yan guys. Karton ang ating ano guys, panggatong natin guys, karton. Yan, madali lang yan guys. This is the fastest ulam guys. Lagyan natin ng sabaw. Sabaw guys, sabaw. Lagyan natin ng sabaw. Yan guys. Yan, may timpla na sabaw guys. Lagyan natin yung may timpla na nasabaw to guys. Yan. Lagyan natin yan guys. Mekos na yan guys. Lagyan natin ng panimpla guys. Panimpla, konti lang. Yan. Napakabilis na ulam guys. Healthy pa to guys. Mekos na yan guys. Mekos na yung apoy natin guys. Yan, mekos na yan guys. Yan. Madali lang na ulam guys. Mahilig ako nito guys. Kangkong. Talangkong. Yan guys. Takpan natin. Lagyan pa natin ng sabaw guys. Baka may panimpla na tong sabaw na to guys. Nilagay. May panimpla na to guys. Yan, lagyan pa natin para sumarap talaga. Manuot-nuot ang sarap guys. Yan. Lagyan pa natin guys. Lagyan pa natin. Yan guys, takpan na natin. Yan. Panggatong natin is carton. The carton of my life. This is the story of my life. The story of my life is mahirap. Mahirap maging mahirap. Yan guys, mekos na yan guys. Wow, kumulo na guys. Kumulo na siya guys. Kumulo na siya guys. Madali lang yung tuin guys. Hindi natin latin yan. Kasi mawawala ang kanyang lutong. Ang lutong ng gulay ng kangkong. Tikman natin guys. Tikman natin. Yan. Sarap. Sarap guys. Sarap guys. Ito ang ganap natin guys. Yan, kangkong na naman. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Also like and share my videos. Bye bye guys.